Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all radio buttons from the entire Word document in seconds. I like to keep a record and copy of all my assignments. What I usually do is copy and paste the test or assignment I'm taking online. But then the problem is most of the time there are radio buttons that transfer from the web documents to the Word. As you can see here, I have these radio buttons, the circle ones or the square ones. The traditional way is to select every single button one by one and hit the delete key, like this. But this document has 83 questions, and on average each question has at least 3 buttons, which gives me a total number of 249 buttons to delete. The easiest solution I find for deleting all unwanted buttons is use the replace all function. You can call the replace function by holding the control and pressing H, or from the ribbon under the home tab you can click on replace and it will open the find and replace function. So in this section it says find what. I'm going to hold shift and press 6. This is going to insert the character, and then I'm going to input lowercase g. Lowercase g is represent graphics in Word document. In this section it says replacing with. I will not insert anything. So basically after I click replace all, it will replace the entire graphics in this document with nothing, basically deleting the entire graphics. I click replace all. It says all done. We made 202 replacements. My initial guess was 240 buttons. It's close. Okay, I click close. I scroll down. As you can see, the entire radio buttons, they all are deleted. Thank you for watching this video.